Hello everyone and welcome back to BaafInspires.GH. Today I'll be teaching you some basic greetings in sign language, Ghanaian sign language to be specific. Whether you are hearing, deaf, or just curious to learn sign language, this is a great way to promote inclusion and communication in your community. If you are ready, let's get started. Greeting number 1. Good morning. How do we sign good morning? So we have two words, good and morning. So this is how we sign good. So this way, good, good. And then morning, this is morning. So the left hand, the right hand stretch, and the left hand over here. So morning. Now my hand is going up because in the morning the sun is rising. So morning. So let's use this together and sign. Good morning. I'll take it slowly again. Good morning. One last time. Good morning. Give it a try. Can you try it again? Good job. So let's move on to word number 2. Greeting number 2. Good afternoon. Remember? Good. 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 Now, how do we sign afternoon? So afternoon, because the sun is already up in the sky, it goes this way. Afternoon. Afternoon. So let's use both together and sign. Good afternoon. I'll take it again. Good afternoon. One last time. Good afternoon. Give it a try. Again. Great job. Word greeting number 3. Good evening. Good evening. You already know good. So, good. Remember? Good. And how do we sign evening? So evening, the sun is setting. It's going down. So this is how we sign evening. 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 As you can see, this hand and this down. So evening, because the sun is setting. So let's use both together now. Good evening. Good evening. I'll take it again. Good evening. Give it a try. Again. Great job. So our next greeting is good night. Good night. How do we sign night? We already know good. So this is good. Now night is this way. Night, as you can see, night. So the hand is going inside because it's late in the night. The sun is nowhere to be found. So night, night. So let's use both together. Good night. I'll take it again. Good night. One last time. Good night. Give it a try. Again. Good job. Okay, so a quick revision now. The first greeting was good morning. So this is how we sign good morning once again. Good morning. I'll take it again. Good morning. And the next greeting was good afternoon. So good afternoon. Good afternoon. The next greeting is good evening. So good evening. Good evening. And our final greeting is good night. Good night. Good night. Great job. Now you have learned how to greet someone in sign language. Try to practice this with your friends, co-workers, or even any deaf person you meet. They will be happy that you are trying to communicate with them. If you love this video, try to like, comment, and share this video. If you are a new subscriber, kindly hit on the subscribe button as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. It's bye for now.